Okay, so this is Rain Modern Chinese in Albany. And this is dinner. Well, I already had the wonton soup, so you're not gonna get to see that. But this is a combination of chicken and vegetables, Mandarin style. Looks delicious. I'm not sure what kind of sauce this is, but it looks spicy as hell. That's my oolong tea over there. This presentation alone is worth it. Alright, so let's see if I can scoop some of it up without making an enormous mess. Come on, Angel, you can do this. Look at this chicken. All the veggies underneath. Sorry for the bad footage. Let's try a piece. Heaven. Greetings from Albany, New York.